Welcome to Junk Journal Inspirations. My name is Emily. I have the most fabulous swap to share with you. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna gush. That's what I'm gonna do because I am beyond excited to share this with you and to own this. I can't even. So, all right, let me explain. So I contacted Tanya Ferguson at Scribbles in Time about doing a journal swap because I am absolutely in love with her style. I think, yeah, so I contacted her and I was terrified to contact her, honestly, because I don't feel worthy of the caliber of awesomeness, of the things that Tanya creates. And I was kind of terrified. But I did it anyway, and she was amazing, and said, absolutely, I would love to swap with you. And I fangirled for a while. And this was back in, I want to say early December it was actually probably mid-November, when we decided to do this. And, she let me pick from the journals that she had in her swap at the time, or it's not in her swap. See, I'm fangirling. In her shop, she let me choose, which journal I wanted. And this one, just called to me, in so many different ways. So I picked this one, and the initial swap was I was going to create a journal for her. So that was the plan, and I was totally cool with that. But then I got sick and things just kind of went off the rails when that happened, right? So we were talking, Tanya and I, and she came up with a brilliant idea to, instead of me making her a journal, we decided together that, if I would send her a bunch of items from my shop, vintage items and things like that, and she is going to create a journal using those items. And I am so excited to see what she creates with the items that I sent. I sent basically a sampling of everything that I have in my shop for the most part. And I'm so excited to see what she makes. I'm like beside myself. So that, I'm sure, she will be doing that, and then that will be on her channel. So all of that to say that I will link to Tanya's channel and to her Etsy shop in my description box, because I just love the journals. Everything she makes, I am in love with. So, all right, I'm going to go through this and show you how amazing it is. And and then I want you to go check out her channel and check out her shop. Cool? Because go subscribe and hit that little bell on her channel so that you can see the journal that she creates with the stuff that I sent to her. So excited. All right. So I think my favorite thing about Tanya's style is her ability to layer up like really cool things and create these covers. I mean, they're just all one of a kind and amazing. I'm going to link to her flip through of this so she can kind of explain a little better where the items came from or the meaning behind them. But look, there's like a cover on top of a cover. And all of these just really cool elements, this focal point here, it's just gorgeous, right? There's like a faux buckle here, and at the bottom, and all of this amazing, fabric and vintage pieces and metal piece, and just awesome. And then she does the same thing on the spine, and she layers up old spines. Like, I mean, look at this. It's just fabulous. And just the grunginess, and oh my gosh, I have flipped through this probably 20 times since I received it, and I just keep finding new things that I love. All right, so on the inside, she had originally had this as kind of a removable journal. It's a wallet, a leather wallet. But I asked her if she would just go ahead and attach it to the inside cover, because I wanted everything all together. And I really love how it sticks out the side here, and everything just kind of, oh, it just all goes together so beautifully. So this is sort of like the writing part of the journal. The rest of it is kind of an art journal, which I'm super excited about. So anyway, we've got a leather wallet here with this gorgeous little brass piece on the front. And then you've got this awesome safety deposit box key, and it is attached to this picture of this little boy. And then you've got a little tag in here as well. And that just shows through the little pocket here. I love, 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 love that. And then a little, this little tiny feather in this coin, oh, what are these called? You know what I mean. I'm just going to be quiet. All right. So how cool is that? Right? And the stitching and the, just everything. I love it. I love it. And then that slides in here, and then you've got a little tiny tag, and then in here we have another little feather in a glassine bag. I love that. See if I can, there we go. And then in here we have a little vintage playing card. Oh, I think I have it upside down. Isn't that gorgeous? And then Tanya's little card here. Love that. And then she wrote me a little note on the back. I will keep that just for me. And then here we have just, I mean, some awesome vintage fabric sewn on the edge of this little railroad card. And then some writing space. I love this black and white fabric. How awesome is that? And then some leaf trim here, and this gorgeous grungy coffee dyed paper. Little cigar. I love this idea. I have so many of these little cigar wrappers that I need to start using, and this is a perfect way to use them. This gorgeous black and like beige fabric tab here. And I love this trim on this book page. And then this is gorgeous. Love it. And I love the red and the orangey red here. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And the tea dye or the coffee dye here, and the imprint that she got. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Isn't that gorgeous? Just a piece of paper with a little tab here, and then this gorgeous page from a book with feathers. How awesome is that? And then butterflies on the back. Some notebook paper, a little bridge tally, and then these little beads on the inside. I love those. Like I said, I will link to her video flip through, because she can do a better job of explaining what everything is. A little British postage stamp here. And then this is the most gorgeous trim. I love this so much. And then we're on to the other side. And look at this tassel. Like, oh my gosh. Everything. It's just perfect. Just perfect. I love this little red 44 fabric tab here. It's so cool. And then a little American flag embroidered tag here. Love that. And then this is an inventory tag. And then on the back, you've got some more pockets here. There's a coat check card, or not a card, tickets. A little, you know, just some tickets here. And then a cool, look at the cool pattern on that coffee dyed tag. So cool. And a little tiny coin envelope back here. How cute is that? And let's see if I can get everything back in. And then I can't remember. Yep, there is something in here. Just a little coffee dyed index card in there. And then the Viewmaster pocket with this gorgeous vintage, I'm guessing it was like a drink label, like a bottle label. Isn't that cool? I love the colors. The colors on that are fabulous. And then this rusty paper clip holds that in there. So that's that. And then this gorgeous fabric on the inside of the spine. And now the rest of it is an art journal. And I'm going to try and actually use it, but I don't know. I'm not sure if I can bring myself to actually do anything in here because it's so gorgeous. Look at this. It's like probably a table runner or a little placemat. I mean, but look at oh my gosh. And then I see every page. I'm just going to gush. This is Tanya's actual artwork. Look at how pretty this is. I mean, she's such an amazing artist. I just can't, I'm not going to be able to bring myself, I don't think, to do anything in here because it's so fabulous. Oh, we'll see, maybe, but I don't know. But so there's blank pages that I could, you know, do some mixed media or something on, but I don't know. I am not sure I can bring myself to it. Some really pretty, this is probably like flower sackcloth. This coffee dyed here, this gorgeous crocheted doily. And this is another thing that I love. I mean, she's sewn a stick onto the side, onto the edge of this paper. I think that is fabulous. It's just, everything is just so organic and nature related, and it just all makes me happy. Look at this fabric with the dragonflies and the bees. How pretty is that? And then some really pretty beads in here. This gorgeous wood, like star design. I love that. And then this is also, oh my gosh. I mean, she painted this. I think it's just fabulous. Oh, I am just in awe. And then this is just a fabric flower, but look at, I mean, it's huge and gorgeous, and it just adds, it's just so pretty on there. And then another blank page that, you know, maybe I'll bring myself to put something on, but I don't think so. And then the other side of that's the first little signature. And then this gorgeous piece here, and you can't probably, maybe you can tell, but the flowers, actually some of them have are a little bit pastel, like peachy color. Oh, so pretty. And then these, I need to get my hands on some of these. Tanya, if you can tell me where you got these. I think these are fabulous. They're like a thin metal. I don't know for sure what they are. I think they might be like wraps to hold things together on like a railroad car. So that, you know, like they're, what's the word I'm looking for? Like a seal almost, so that you know that it wasn't tampered with. I think that's what they are, but I'm not sure. Whatever they are, I'm in love with them. And she's just sewn that onto the edge of that page. There's another gorgeous crochet doily piece. And then in here, this little rusty paper clip is holding this gorgeous little bag. And there's actually some really pretty rocks in here that are just the perfect colors to go with this I love that so much. I think of putting things like that in journals, right? But that is such a fabulous idea. I just love everything about this. And then this fabric is gorgeous. There's butterflies and feathers and leaves. And then this little wooden bead is so pretty. And then this little, I think it's like a fake flower puffball. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's, yeah, everything. I love it. Blank pages, but I don't know. We'll see. Maybe someday. This is a little puffy, I love this. It's like a little puffy, I think it was a magnet, but look how cute that is. And that the colors just go so well together. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then here we have another gorgeous, I guess these were probably like either doily type things or placemats. I'm not sure, but they're fabulous. And then a little piece of like, is that raffia? Oh, I probably just mispronounced that big time. Anyway, crinkly paper. And this adorable little gold like masquerade mask. I love that. And then this, oh yeah, gorgeous crochet doily. And then some more paper that I could, you know, potentially do something on. And then some more of this gorgeous fabric. And then there's an actual bell in here. I love all these big pieces and this really pretty like frosted glass bead. And oh yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna try and use it, but I think I just like looking at it. And then she has her little embossed her name here, Tanya Ferguson, Scribbles in Time, and then this gorgeous tree. And then that is the end. That is the end. I love the end paper on this. This cover, everything about this is just so, so fabulous. Tanya, thank you again so much for agreeing to swap with me and for letting me have a piece of your art. I am in love with this. I just, I can't, there aren't words to describe how happy I am to own this. It just warms my heart. So thank you so, so much. I hope that you enjoy all of the items that I sent. I cannot wait to see what you create with it, with them, with all of the pieces, the bits and pieces that I sent you. I hope that you have fun with that. Yeah, guys, please go check out Tanya's channel. She does not have nearly enough subscribers for the, you know, like she is so talented. And I just would love to see her, her subscriber count go up, and go and check out her Etsy shop and all of that. Please, please, please. She is so deserving. She is a sweetheart. And she is so super crazy talented. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will be back soon with something crafty. I hope you have a fabulous day. Take care of yourselves, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.